अगर ठंडे ठंडे मौसम में गरम गरम तहारी नहीं खाया तो क्या ही खाया। Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share a recipe which is close to my heart. This is my childhood favorite dish and my love for tahari is never ending. I hope you like this as much as I do. So to begin with, I have 500 grams of rice washed and soaked for 1 hour and 500 grams of beef. You can also use mutton. And for the spices, I have some turmeric powder, red chilli powder, Kashmiri red chilli powder, coriander powder, garam masala, Shahzeera, green cardamom, cloves, black peppercorns, cinnamon stick, ginger garlic paste, and salt as per taste. I have also used onions and tomatoes. This recipe requires a lot of tomatoes as the most of the flavors comes from the tomatoes and spices. Here I'm also using some yogurt, but this is completely optional. I'm going to cook the beef in a pressure cooker first, and then I'm going to transfer everything to a bigger pot and cook the rice. So here I have half a cup of oil in a pressure cooker, and I added all the whole spices. I let it splutter, and then I added the onions. I sautéed it until the onions softened a little bit, and then I added the beef and ginger garlic paste, and I sautéed it really well. So in this recipe, you have to saute everything really well to enhance all the flavors. So here I'm going to saute the beef until it changes its color along with the ginger garlic paste. I have been sauteing it on medium-high heat for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add all my spices: turmeric powder, red chilli powder, Kashmiri powder, coriander powder, and garam masala. And I'm again going to saute it for another 8 to 10 minutes on medium heat. Let me know in the comments below which country are you watching this from. My mom says there is this rule for tahari: the more you saute, the better it tastes. I have added yogurt here, but this is completely optional. If you do not want to disturb tahari's red color, then do not use yogurt. Now I'm adding the tomatoes and salt. And I'm going to cover and cook it until the tomatoes soften. The heat is on medium-low, and I did not seal and put vessel at this time. As you can see, the tomatoes are cooked well and have got mushy. I decided to add some green chilli achar just to experiment. This is optional. Here I have added 650 ml of water. So the cup that I use to measuring rice is a steel cup, and I have taken 2 cups of rice. Into this I'm going to add 2.5 cups of water. I'm adding half of the chopped cilantro here. I'm going to leave the rest for garnishing. Now I'm going to cover it with the lid and put the whistle on and cook it on medium-high heat for about 8 to 9 whistles. I opened the pressure cooker after all the steam was released. Now I have transferred it to a bigger pot. I covered it and let it boil on high heat. I checked the salt here and the salt was completely okay, so I added the rice. I drained all the water of the rice and then I added it. I'm going to cook it on high heat and I'm going to cover it with the lid until the 80% of the water is absorbed by the rice. I'm cooking this on high heat for now, and I have stirred once in between. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also add potatoes at this point. You can just cut a big potato into 4 pieces and add into it. Now as you can see, the water is 80% absorbed by the rice. I usually cover the lid with aluminium foil before I cook the rice on steam. I have stirred it really well and I cooked it on low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes until the rice was cooked. Now I turned off the stove, stirred once and covered it with the lid, and I let it sit for about 10 more minutes. If you liked this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. As you can see, the rice is nicely cooked. The tahari was ready. I served it with bundi raita and some salad. I love to add some ghee over it. This is completely optional. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Happy cooking!